Hello students, in this video let us see numerical 2 and numerical 3 on the topic molality. Numerical 2, calculate the molality of a solution containing 20.7 gram of potassium carbonate dissolved in 500 ml of solution. And here the density of the solution is given as 1 gram per ml. First, we shall write what is given to us. Mass of K2CO3, that is potassium carbonate, is given as 20.7 gram. Here our potassium carbonate is solute and it is dissolved in water. Water is our solvent. Next is volume of solution is given, that is equal to 500 ml, and density of solution is given as 1 gram per ml. Now what we have to do is, molar mass is not given, so we need to calculate the molar mass of K2CO3, which will be equal to 2 into 39 plus 1 into 12 plus 3 into 16, which will be equal to 78 plus 12 plus 48, and the molar mass of potassium carbonate is 138 gram per mole. Now we got molar mass. We are having mass of K2CO3, hence we can calculate number of moles of K2CO3, which will be equal to mass of K2CO3 divided by molar mass of K2CO3, which will be equal to 20.7 gram upon 138 gram per mole, and we are getting the answer as 0.15 mole. So number of moles of K2CO3 is 0.15 mole. Next is density of the solution is given to us and volume of the solution is given to us. Hence we can find out mass of solution, which will be equal to density into volume, which is equal to, density is 1 gram per ml and volume is 500 ml, and we are getting the answer as 500 gram. Thus we are getting now here mass of solution. In the formula we need mass of solvent. So here we can find out mass of solvent will be equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute, and that will be equal to 500 gram, that is the mass of solution, and mass of the solute is 20.7 gram, and here we are getting the answer as 479.3 gram. So we are getting here mass of solvent as 479.3 gram. And hence we can find out molality of the solution, which will be equal to number of moles of solute upon mass of water in gram into 1000. So this is equal to 0.15 mole upon 479.3 gram into 1000, and we are getting here answer is 0.313 mole per kg, or we can say it as 0.313 molal, that is small m. Let's move on to numerical 3. Calculate the molality of a 7.55 kg sample of a solution of the solute CH2Cl2, that is methylene chloride. Molar mass is given as 85 gram per mole, which is dissolved in the solvent CH3COCH3, that is acetone. If the sample contains 929 gram of methylene chloride. So here I have written what is given to us. Mass of methylene chloride, that is our solute, is 929 gram. Molar mass of methylene chloride is 85 gram per mole, and mass of solution is given as 7.55 kg. So in terms of gram, it will be 7550 gram. So here we can find out mass of solvent as it will be equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute. Now mass of solution is equal to 7550 gram and mass of solute is equal to 929 gram, which is giving us the answer 6621 gram. So we got mass of solvent over here. We can calculate number of moles of solute, that is methylene chloride, which will be equal to mass of methylene chloride divided by molar mass of methylene chloride. That will be 929 gram upon 85 gram per mole. And we will get our answer as 10.92 mole. Hence, we can find the molality as number of moles of methylene chloride upon mass of solvent in gram into 1000. So, number of moles of methylene chloride is 10.92 upon the mass of solvent in gram is 6621 into 1000. And we are getting the answer as 1.649 mole per kg, or it is 1.649 molal solution. So molality will be equal to 1.649 molal, that is small m. Thank you, students.